Here.
Okay. Táta ruka musí vyhospodovaná byť.
Good.
And just let's relax the cat a little.
Chodák spredu na to.
You sure it's bad?
You see that little piece there? Not that
And so he smells it. It's going to relax him. It's like drug.
I'm gonna hold him really. He's strong. Then he starts jerking.
Okay, so is the idea, what device? Should
gonna-
we use fingers?
I'm gonna use finger, and I'm gonna try to just wiggle with kind of steady pressure on it. Once I start, he's gonna get really uncomfortable.
Dobre, zacznij, drž ho a zacznij. You're gonna go in his mouth.
No, I'm gonna go here. And that's what he's gonna... Hold on, Ellie. Ellie.
Oh, it's coming out,
Yeah,
Bello.
yeah.
Perfect,
Good
Bello.
job.
Good job.
Yeah,
Perfect.
it's okay if some blood comes out. That's
Don't
normal.
you-
It's okay.
Just don't break it.
It's okay, baby.
Oh, yes.
It's really
Do good
tough.
job,
It's
Bello.
okay, baby. It's okay.
Oh,
Ooh,
yes. Perfect, Bello.
Good
Perfect.
job.
boy.
Good job.
Good,
job.
tiger. Good.
The bleeding will stop. It's
Tony,
just,
they said it's gonna be bleeding.
that's
We
okay.
took out a
Oh
blade
my
of grass.
God.
Good tiger.
There you go.
Yay!
Good job.
Good job.
Gosh, good.
Oh my gosh, look at this huge piece.
Look
Look
at
at
it.
that.
All that in a nose on a small cat.
Natka, Claudia.
Wow.